black money? Do I see my black money? My black
Bonnie, talk to me.
Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty, and jumping right into this tutorial, I'm going to start this perm rod out on freshly washed hair. I am really loving my new haircut, and thank you for everyone for your positive and encouraging words. As always, I will be working in quadrants just because this is a lot easier for me and I can stay nice and organized. And when making your parts, they don't have to be perfect, just clean, because you don't want any hair snagging in between parts. And as many of you know, I do use the LOC method, so for my leave-in, I'm going to use the Carol's Daughter Green Supreme leave-in conditioner, and I really like it. It has matcha in it, which is actually pretty good for the hair. For my oil, I'm going to be using pure almond oil, and I really like almond oil because of its nourishing benefits to my hair and for my skin. And I'm going to work the oil not only into my hair, but also on my scalp, because my scalp can also benefit from the almond oil as well. And after I've applied the leave-in conditioner and the oil, I'm going to clip this section up, and I'm going to continue on the rest of my hair, and then I'm going to come back to this quadrant and apply the perm rods. For my styling products, I'm going to use Jane Carter's Curl Defining Cream and also Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse. I find that using these two paired together really create a nice hold for me. It's not stiff, it's not crunchy, it's nice and soft, and my styles do last for a week. I sectioned my hair again, and I'm going to apply the Jane Carter's Curl Defining Cream, and I'm going to work it into this section very, very well. Next, I'm going to part my hair in half, and then I'm going to apply the Design Essentials Curl Enhancing Mousse. And one major tip to have a really good perm rod out is to make sure that all your products are smoothened nicely. So I am going to use a rat tail comb just to make sure that all the products are smooth into my hair follicle, and also to make sure that the ends of my hair are nice and sleek. That way when I do apply it to the perm rod, that the ends of my hair, when they dry, are going to be really nice and not get frizzy. I'm also going to make sure that the perm rod is also rolled up to my roots nice and secure. That way my roots are not going to be puffy either. And I'm going to continue doing this on the rest of my hair. And here's how my hair looks once all of the perm rods have been applied. I am going to sleep with the perm rods in my hair. I often get asked, how do I sleep with the perm rods? And honestly, I just find a comfortable position, or I sleep on my stomach. It's the next day, and here's how my hair looks. It has fully dried, which is another key. You want to make sure that your hair is fully dried before unraveling the perm rods, or else your hair will get frizzy, especially at the roots. When I am unraveling the perm rod, I'm making sure that I'm taking it out the same way that I put it in. So I am using that winding motion, and this works best for me. I'm very happy to see my hair fully natural, no blonde ends. It's a new beautiful journey that I'm taking, and it's been great. I have definitely gotten used to seeing my hair this way. And for some more volume, I am going to separate these curls. So I always start in the back first to unravel the curls, and I am going to put a little almond oil on again just to make sure that there's no frizz while I am separating these curls. I like to separate each curl about 3 to 4 times. And once all the curls have been separated a few times, I'm just going to give myself a scalp massage and just make sure that all the curls have been separated nicely and that there's no big curls left. I'm also going to take a pick so I can have a lot more volume for these curls, and make sure when you do this you're only fluffing the roots. You don't want to comb through the curl, or else you will comb the curl out and it'll look really frizzy and undefined. I also like to shake my head back and forth just to make sure that the curls aren't so tight. And now it's time to figure out how I want to wear my curls. I mean, I could have wore it like that, but sometimes I don't want my hair in my face, especially in the front where my bangs would be. I don't want to cut my hair into bangs, so I am just going to move it to the side and make a nice side part. I'm going to use these bobby pins that I did get from the Dollar Tree, which definitely come in handy. And I'm just making sure that my hair has a nice placement. That way I don't have to worry about continuing to pull my hair back throughout the day. And after I place the bobby pins in my hair, I'm just playing with it just to figure out how I want to wear my hair so that the curls in the front are not in my face. And I am going to sleek this small section of hair that's showing in the front back. And sometimes when I am trying to get that perfect placement for my hair, I will find a big curl that hasn't been separated yet. So now I will separate it a little bit more than usual just to give me that nice volume that I love. And I am going to put my hoops on and get ready for the day. I just feel like these earrings just complete my whole look. And I love everything about this look, from my makeup to my earrings to my hair to my outfit. I really love how my hair turns out. This is my first perm rod out since I've cut my hair. My hair is so much healthier, looks so much fuller, and everything looks so good. My hair is really happy right now. I hope that you liked my tutorial, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps my channel. It really helps my videos to be seen. And also let me know in the comments below what type of videos that you would like to see in the future. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.